Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jackie, aka J Money MUA, and today I'm doing this little pumpkin Halloween makeup look. I also have a little surprise for you guys. If you guys watch till the end of this video, then you guys will know, but you guys can't skip. Like, don't skip. That's cheating. So watch this whole video and then you will find out. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just continue watching. So I already did my whole base off camera just to save a little bit of time. It's very simple. It's very easy to recreate. So basically what I'm going to do is get this little orangey shade and put it all over my lid and crease. So to intensify the orange shade, I'm gonna use this orange shade right here and basically do the same thing. Put it on my crease and on my lid. And this is just a brighter orange. And my child decided to scratch me literally right before filming. He's, you know, going through his terrible twos. He sent me help. So yeah, that's what it is. Okay, now that we got the orange, what I'm gonna do is basically create like a little triangle, like starting from my lid and going up here like that. So just basically create a little triangle. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here just to kind of like outline the little triangle, and then I'll go in with a darker color. So let's see. Basically like a halo eye. I just want to like bring it up. What the fuck is that? I'm gonna grab another darker shade, so I'm gonna grab this one right here and start to pack it on there. Oops, sorry. Alright guys, so I went in with an angled brush instead. I don't know why I didn't the first time, but I went in with an angled brush and kind of just outlined those little triangles. So now I'm going to take that little brush and kind of just blend all those crazy lines. I'm going to take this like silvery color and put it all a little bit over that. I'm going to wet my brush a little. And then I'm just gonna place a little bit of that right here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna diffuse it out a little bit with the other brush. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. I just grabbed a little bit of that dark color just to make sure the edges are still pretty dark. Like that. That silver color is so pretty. Like, what the fuck? That looks so pretty. Okay. Alright, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. Alright, so this is what the eyes look. Oh my gosh, that silvery color is so bomb. Like, what the fuck? If I'm gonna do my lower lash line, I'm gonna use this NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the shade 601. It's just like a black eyeliner. I'm gonna place them like this. Just like that. It doesn't matter because I'm gonna smudge it out. So yeah, I do look crazy right now. I'm just gonna use that dark shade again. I'm gonna use that orangey shade that I used for my eyes and kind of just place it under it. And now I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, so for my brows, I kind of want to intensify them, so I just kind of want to do like little dark lines around them. Let's see if this looks good. Like that. Yes, darker. Okay, so I just kind of intensified my brows a little bit. Okay, so now I want to do the little nose. And I'm going to use the same angled brush, just use whatever's on there and kind of just outline the little nose. Okay, I have like a little tiny outline. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I just wet my brush. I'm gonna go in with that dark shade. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with black actually because that color is way too light. And I don't want to use eyeliner because I feel like with eyeliner is a little bit harder to work with. So I'm just using eyeshadow instead. I honestly wanted to use like a gel black eyeliner, but I forgot to go buy one. So I'm kind of just, you know, working with what I got. And if you wet your brush and then dip into a black eyeshadow, it kind of feels like a gel eyeliner. So honestly, for Halloween, you kind of just have to work with what you got. And it's better that way because then you don't even have to spend money. So that's what my nose looks like. I'm gonna use that same silver shade to just kind of add a little bit of highlight on there. Right, so that's what my nose looks like. Now I'm gonna do the mouth. The mouth is a little harder, a little bit more, you know, drawing to do. But yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing with the black eyeliner. And I'm not sure how to start it. Like that. Alright, so I just kind of just drew 2 little lines like that. And I'm gonna outline how I want the lips now. What the fuck? Alright, so I have like this really dark liquid lipstick. I'm gonna put this over my lips, and it's like a purple color though. Put black eyeshadow over it, that way you don't see the purple. Hi. So how is everyone doing today? What are you guys being for Halloween? That's the real question. What are y'all planning on doing? What are y'all being? Are y'all even doing anything this year because, you know, coronavirus? I'm definitely doing something because it's my favorite holiday, and I just, you know, I can't just not do anything. Rod and I are gonna be the Avengers. Santi loves the Avengers, so that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I think for the most part we are gonna DIY our costumes. We honestly never really buy like a costume. I always like to use like whatever I have, or, you know, buy clothes for it, but not buy the costume. And I just fucked this shit up. Alright, so the lips took the longest because, you know, I didn't have a black eyeliner, but, you know, I made it fucking work because that's what you do for Halloween, okay? Alright, so the last part is I'm gonna do these little lines like a pumpkin. I'm gonna use this little brush and use the orange shade and start like placing orange on those lines. Let's pop these lashes on. Yes, I am a psycho. I can put my lashes with my fingers. By the way, guys, these are my Dollar Tree lashes, still going strong. All right, I think we are done. Okay, so today is Tuesday. I have not washed my hair since Friday, and my hair looks amazing. Don't know how to do hair for shit. Like, I literally don't know how to do it, So I just learned how to do these little waves and I'm so excited. So yeah, guys, this was really not hard. It was a little time consuming, but not hard. There's like a dent on my hair. Okay, annoying. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys really liked this Halloween pumpkin look. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So if you stayed till the end of this video, I have a little giveaway for you guys. It's just a little something just to give back to the people that watch my videos and support me. I love you all. So yeah, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment what you're gonna be for Halloween or what your plans are for Halloween. And what you're gonna win is a little spooky basket from me. I will announce the winner on my Instagram, or I will either DM you. So make sure on that comment to leave your Instagram name. That way I can DM you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.